I want to hear from you guys. How do you feel about Noah Lyles being invited to the 200-meter Diamond League finals? Do you think it's unfair, considering that he can only win the trophy but not the prize money? How do you feel about it now? Welcome back to another video. Let's review the replay. Kishane Thompson ducking Noah Lyles. A lot of people think that Kishane Thompson pulling out of the Lyles Diamond League is ducking Noah Lyles. I don't know how to think about this. I believe that Kishane Thompson is being strategic. Noah Lyles starting his season as late as he did had been strategic. Noah Lyles had been strategic, and he is easily the most talk about athlete and one of the most prominent athlete at the moment. Even with Kishane Thompson dominating 100 meters, I think he lost only one race in the season so far, and with all the other athletes, Kenny Benerick, all the other athletes dominating in their respective discipline, Noah Lyles came in as a late athlete and he's dominating as well. He created a problem for a lot of people. So Noah Lyles, I don't know if he's playing it safe, if he's just being smart, or if the stars just aligning. Now, Lyles Diamond League, we saw Noah Lyles supposed to go up against Kishane Thompson once again. The way how Kishane Thompson won against Noah Lyles at Silesia Diamond League, I think it was a good win for Kishane. It shows that, all right, you know what, I can win against this guy even though he finished like a freight train. But it also gives Noah Lyles the confidence to say that, you know what, I almost got him. 3,000th of a second. I almost got him. Or 300, whatever it is. Yeah, I almost got him, because Kishane with a 9.87 victory. Noah Lyles second place 9.90, and he beat a strong field to get to that second place finish. It almost felt like a win for Noah Lyles. In the way how we talk about it, you could see that he was celebrating a victory. It was a complete and outright victory, because Noah Lyles did not expect to beat Kishane Thompson. But going into Lyles, he said, all right, there is good things to come. I think the confidence is that getting this close, finishing as strong as he did against a strong field, and behind Kishane Thompson, who had been the athlete in form, the athlete who started the season earlier, beating the early season favorite Simbini, beating Kenny Benerick, who had ran 9.7. He had beat some athlete. Noah Lyles beat some very good athletes, and with all of that being said, Noah Lyles, he must be as confident as they come. Now, Kishane Thompson pulling out of the Diamond League, Lyles Diamond League, is it also strategic? Is it the best play for Kishane Thompson? Is it the worst play for the fans? And do you think that they should be trying to please the fans at the moment, or should they be playing their own strategy? Personally, I believe that the MVP athlete should be listening to his coach and playing his game, playing to his strength. Because right now, Noah Lyles started a late season push, right? And he's gauging himself against other athletes. It's like he's using these athletes as training partners. And there's not a lot to gain from running against Noah Lyles at the moment. Noah Lyles will be getting that competitive edge and that psychological advantage. Even if he doesn't win, he gets to size up against the other athletes and give them a little bit of doubt in their mind. Let's talk about Noah Lyles once again getting invited to the 200-meter Diamond League's finals. How do you guys feel about this one now? Noah Lyles is not the Olympic champion. It's not a buy-in to the Olympic, to the Diamond League. He got invited, but a lot of people don't think that this is fair. How do you guys feel? Personally, I think that you can do whatever you want, because in a meet, a meet organizer is allowed to invite up to 4 athletes, 4 of their favorite athletes. They are allowed to invite them, and then, you know, at the Diamond League finals, you still have to run 2 races to get into the finals. You have to qualify. Therefore, Noah Lyles will have to go there, put on a performance in the 200, qualify to get himself into that finals, which would give Noah Lyles so much. He's just rising his stock. He's just letting Noah Lyles become more than what he could have achieved with a late start to his season, right? Let's take another look at Noah Lyles. Noah Lyles and Usain Bolt, the only athletes to have won 3 200-meter world championship gold medals. You have an opportunity to win 4, which would be one better than Usain Bolt at this time. Noah Lyles is in a very good spot, but Noah Lyles also would have an opportunity to win the Diamond League finals, which the pressure that he already put on, let's see, Little Bogo winning against him in the Diamond League. I think it was Brussels Diamond League. This invitation to the finals it could be seen as unfair, because why Noah Lyles? Why not somebody else? But Noah Lyles is the headliner in most events at the moment. The way how he's performing, the way how he started, and the way how he continues. He is the headliner. It's very easy to choose to invite Noah Lyles. In the 100 meters, I could see Kishane Thompson getting invited if there was an issue going into the Diamond League finals. But there are some people who are saying, let's go ahead and invite some of the Jamaican favorite fans. There's some of Jamaica's favorite sons and daughters. Why not give the likes of Tia Clayton an opportunity to run in that Diamond League finals? Therefore, she could get an opportunity to represent at the World Championship. Why not go a step further and give her a buy-in to the World Championship, especially since it was an injury that ruled her out of the qualifiers for the Jamaican. There's a lot of athletes who the fans would have loved to see out there, especially with a meet organizer being able to invite up to 4 people. A global wildcard athlete must have competed in at least one Diamond League meeting in the course of the season and must fulfill at least one of the following criteria: world record holder, reigning world or Olympic or Diamond League champion. Therefore, Noah Lyles, even though he's not the 200-meter Diamond League, even though he's not the 200-meter Olympic champion, I think he is the reigning world champion in the 200 meters. Therefore, that gives him an opportunity. Top 5 in world athletics ranking of their event. So Noah Lyles is currently number 1 in 200 meters, and he's not top 5 in the 100, but he'll be working his way into the 100. I think this is a good time for Noah Lyles. He should be enjoying himself, just smiling all the way to the Diamond League 200 meter finals. Top 20 athlete overall in the World Athletics ranking. No competition which already contains a national wildcard athlete can also contain a global wildcard athlete. In case of victory, the global wildcard athlete will be crowned Diamond League champion and receive the Diamond League trophy, but will not receive the prize money. So Noah Lyles will be running for the trophy, for the bragging rights, but not the payout. So this could be good for the athletes who are concerned about Noah Lyles getting an unfair buy-in to just steal the prize money. But with Noah Lyles and all the accolades and all the achievements over the years, it's just paying off. It's paying off right now. I want to hear from you guys. How do you feel about Noah Lyles being invited to the 200-meter Diamond League finals? Do you think it's unfair, considering that he can only win the trophy but not the prize money? How do you feel about it now? Also, do you think that Kishane Thompson is actually ducking? Is he hiding from Noah Lyles with that good second place finish that Noah Lyles had? Or do you think that it's a strategic pull from the event to just continue to keep the psychological advantage that he already have, and also to keep himself healthy going into the World Championship, which is the big stage? Drop your comments down below and let's review the replay.